Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Travel Bugby. So before I get into today's video, you're probably wondering what the hell happened to my face. Basically we were out biking the other day and I turned a corner way too fast, came off the trail and face planted straight into the dirt. It was not a fun time. But luckily I have my teeth and nothing is broken. I just have a couple of bad scratches and yeah, it's all good. So it's absolutely lashing raining out today and I thought, well, I got a parcel yesterday, so why not do like an unboxing video? So my parents sent this box from worldbox.ie. It's pretty big. I haven't touched it, I haven't opened it yet, so I'm going to be just as surprised as you are, so really excited. Why'd you have to tape it so much? Hang on, I can get this. One second. I don't know if it's me or the box, but it's really hard to open. I'm not even using scissors, I'm using tweezers. Okay, I think I got it. Let's see what's inside. Oh, I see crisps. Crisps. So many crisps. We got chickpeas, king, potato. There's a big thing in Ireland between these two crisps. They are made by pretty much the same company. They're the same flavour crisps, but there's a big fight whether which one is better, the king or the potato. So if you know about this fight, state your opinion down in the comments, because I'm going to do polls and everything, and I'm going to get some of my friends here in Canada to try them and see which one is better and pretty much determine the winner. Personally, king is the better one, but potato is nice, king is better. Oh, super noodles! So I said to my mom that I cooked a batch of noodles here and I was like, it doesn't taste the same, it's not very nice. And she sent some and I discovered when I tried to make noodles again, it was actually the way I cooked it that wasn't very good. But I have noodles, so it's okay. Oh my god, so much crisps. Jaffa cakes. Can't go wrong with a bit of Jaffa cakes. More Jaffa cakes. One of the guys here got parcel from home and they sent a load of Jaffa cakes, so now I have Jaffa cakes. Okay. Yes, my favourite, Jammy Dodgers. My absolute favourite. I would happily eat these in one day. I got pajamas. Oh my god, I got fluffy pajamas and they have Thumper on them. Look how cute that is. Oh yes. It's kind of starting to get a bit cold over here and they reckon within the next 2 months that it will start snowing. So these will be so nice for keeping me warm in the winter. Like everything is buried under all these crisps. Oh, another favourite, Happy Hippos. A lot of people say they are for kids, but I love them, so I'm a kid. I got chocolate digestives, a big packet of Kinder Bueno, one of my favourite bars. Oh, I see something else. Oh, three! I got Milky Bars. You can't actually find these here. There is a shop in Whistler that is like a confectionery shop, and they do like sweets from the sweets from across the Atlantic, you know, like Irish and British sweets, and they do have these. They're very expensive, so I got, oh, they didn't take it! So I told my mom that I made a batch of gravy and it was powdery and watery, and I tried to make it again afterwards because I thought it was just my bad cooking, but no, it was the gravy, and I said the gravy here is horrible. And she said gravy. We were so worried that Customs was going to take it, so oh, I'm so excited. I have spuds and stuff in there. I'm going to make gravy tonight. More chocolate digestives. Ooh, munchies. I'll be honest, I never actually had munchies, so I'm going to try them out. More chocolate. I actually asked for this because this is the type of saving tins I use for when I was at home and I was saving up for Canada or saving up for travels. You can't open it unless you have a can opener. So yes, I can do a bit of savings while I'm here. Happy days. Oh, double lollies. So we actually call them chalky lollies in our house for some reason. They're so nice. I'm kind of gutted because my tooth is really sore after the fall and I can't have them. Not yet, but I will. Oh, they're my favourite. Socks. Oh my god, it's just an endless supply of crisps and chocolate. Like, I will never have to buy any in the shop again. Okay, we got some clothes. Let's have a look. Got, oh yeah. So she sent over some long sleeve stuff for the winter. I like the colour actually, that's lovely. I love the colour, it's a jumper. Love the colour of that, that's beautiful. And then the rest of the box is literally just covered in crisps and chocolate. Like, it's just endless. That's so cool. Thank you so much, Mum and Dad, for sending me all this stuff. I will never run out. This will probably last me the guts of a month, maybe. We'll see. I really hope you enjoyed this video as much as I have. I'm so excited to start eating. So if you did like this video, make sure you leave us a like, comment, and also hit subscribe as well. You can also catch me on social media, Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. All the links are down below in the description. Huge thank you to worldbox.ie. I did not get sponsored, or my mum and dad paid for the parcel, but it was just so nice to have a courier service deliver straight to your house. I didn't have to go to the post office, especially in my current condition. My knee is banjaxed, so it would have been a bit difficult to get it up. So yeah, I'm really happy, really excited to start eating, and movie nights are going to be savage now. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you for the next video. Bye!